I believe we were built for community, and we thrive in an environment where we can feel appreciated and have the opportunity to cooperate. Hello, my name is Anthony Guzman, and I want to transform your brand into a storyteller. Let's forge something better. I believe that complacency, conformity, and busyness are the biggest vices for independent brands and small businesses to compete in a fiercely competitive market. I believe that we should slow the creative process down and build a better brand identity. I want to create solutions for small businesses and independent brands. That way they can tell the story to the world using creativity, design, innovation, and technology. I can offer good design. I'm a skilled communicator, a designer, an advocate for technology, and minimalism. I can offer and design creative stories to tell to the world using good design. Please take a look at my persona project at slideshare.net.